Hey everybody. Well, I made it to the gutted event outside of Alamosa, Colorado. And it's an event where, as you can see, people are building other people's rigs, schoolies, RVs and vans. Got vendors over there. It looks like some merch there. Take a little tour of some of the rigs out here. First of all, you gotta check out the mountain. So it sits mountainside, probably 2-3 miles off the hard road, and we are dealing with. You can kind of see my shoes and my feet. In the distance, you can see I rode the DR out here, and it was squirrely whirlsome. Almost dumped it in some deep sand, but thankfully I didn't. But I am dirty. You can see the dust. Can you see the dust? And some cool rigs there. These buses transcend existence. I'm not sure where these guys are from. Got Bussy McBusface. Bussy McBusface. It's a cool name. Look at all the solar panels on that baby. He's got, I don't know what that, probably a cell booster on the top there. This is the first day of the event, so it's just kind of getting going. Pretty hot out here. Here's another rig. Got a little balcony up top. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And I'm hoping that some of these food trucks open up. You can buy some water. These people here reserved early and got to camp here. People stuck all over the place though, and they're pulling them out one at a time. But I was too late in doing that. That guy. Follow the adventure. 48 states and 365 days. Ooh-wee. From Jersey. Cool. You'll be the star. It's pretty cool. You can see that white NV. That's a Nomad I've followed for many years now. She kind of inspired me to buy my Nissan. It's Lisa Jacobs, I believe. And I can tell because it's Texas. It's got the Dometic air conditioner on the back. I'm pretty sure I saw her walking around nearby. But yeah, all sorts of rigs here. That guy, I don't know what he's doing. He is got the hood up. So I said this is the first day. It's a 5-day event. I just came in for the day. So I'm here as long as I can hold out without water, maybe. I don't know. I'm sure the food truck just stirred up, so we'll be serving up some drinks. But yeah, this is kind of the 360 walkthrough. I'll take you down another path. Kind of cut over here. There was a lady who was stuck here. I think she got out. Yeah, she was stuck down there, so she must have got herself out. Got a couple of RVs here as well. Some buses. I think Enigmatic Nomadic is going to be here, or is here. Got a discount off his last YouTube page for the event. So we saved a few bucks. Thank you, Jamie. Jamie Diamond. So this Ford right here, I was listening to the guy. The build out's $80,000 and it doesn't include the truck. There's Busty McFace. McBus face. Wow. It's got a neat high top. Black resin. Boy, that's gotta get hot in there. Schooley, Colorado on the Bluebird. And yeah, that's what I'm doing today, folks. Down in southern Colorado. Checking all the van lifers out. See, they're all over the place. Straight ahead's the DR. I'm hoping I don't crash on the way out. That was pretty squirrely. Checking. So doing the builds. Then there's vendors on the far side there. So well, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour of Gutted event here in Alamosa, Colorado. Fun being with the Nomads. All right. Take care and see you on the fun way.